Hello and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I have just filmed an exciting video where I test out this disk drive that came with this Commodore 64. There's just one thing. I did it accidentally on time lapse. I did not look up until near the end when I saw this little thing going round and round, which means I did nothing. Nothing helpful anyway. So I suppose what I should do is I should take this disk. Now this keyboard is a little wonky, so I'm going to load perf asterisk comma 8 and see if it will load. And then I will take this blank disk and I will put it in and I will type run and I will type run and away it goes. So this is, I do like the flip down door, although they do fail more than others. So this now is formatting the disk. But I did find here a brilliant piece of literature, which I really haven't ever paid attention to before. It is the limited Commodore 90-day warranty, Commodore Computer Systems. Commodore Business Machines Limited warrants the original consumer purchase that its computer products, not including computer programs on cassettes, cartridges, or disks, shall be free from any defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 90 days from the date of purchase. If a defect covered by this warranty occurs during the 90-day warranty period, you should return the unit within such 90 days to the dealer from whom you purchased it, together with a copy of your sales slip or similar proof of purchase, and the dealer will repair the defective unit. Or, in the event that your dealer is unable to repair your unit, you may, if necessary, return the unit, freight prepaid, together with your sales slip or similar proof of purchase, including the name and address of the dealer from whom you purchased it. Purchase the unit to Commodore Service Center, 3470 Pharmacy Avenue, Agincourt, Ontario, M1W3G3, or to your regional Commodore Authorized Service Center. Your dealer can advise you of the Commodore Authorized Service Centers in your area. This warranty does not cover damage or malfunctions resulting from improper handling, accident, misuse, abuse, failure of electrical power, use with other products not manufactured or approved by Commodore, damage while in transit for repairs, repairs attempted by any unauthorized person or agency, or any other reason not due to defects in materials and workmanship. This warranty is also void if the serial number has been altered, defaced, or removed. We are writing. Any implied warranties arising out of the sale of this unit, including, but not limited to, the implied warranties of merchantability and fitness for a particular purpose, are limited in duration to the above 90-day period. Commodore's liability is limited solely to the repair or replacement of the defective unit in its sole discretion, and in no event shall include damages for loss of use or other incidental or consequential costs, expenses, or damages incurred by the purchaser, including, without limitation, any data or information which may have been lost or rendered inaccurate, even if the Commodore. Now here's something. Even if Commodore has been advised of the possibility of such damages. I hear something ticking. Maybe it's a disk drive. Maybe it's just making a little noise. Remember, this has not been spinning for a long time. Oh yeah, there's a little tick. A little tick. So, it did pass the testing. And now I'm going to take my 4-in-1 retro rewind diagnostic. I'm going to turn the machine off. slide it with great care into the machine, turn it on, and I believe it's already set up to do, yes, the 1541 thing. So I'm going to put this disc back in, and I'll try an alignment check, and see what it has to say. I don't know exactly what these numbers mean, but I guess it's doing okay. I guess I don't think it's actually. I think you could put another disc. Like I could, I believe, and maybe I will put in my 1541 test demo disc and have it try that, which you would think would have pretty accurate results because this came from Commodore. Maybe I'll try that again. All right, press the key. I will take this disc out. I will put this disc in. I will press space. Space. To check. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah. This is looking good. Although it has stopped. Track read, on track percentage. Oh yeah. I think using this disk was a better idea because the other one, well, it had just been formatted by this drive. Anyway, numbers are here and there and everywhere. And what does this mean? Well, I'm not sure, but the disk drive reads fine. Anyway, back to our fine warranty thing here. Let's see, this is going to finish. Press A key. F1 to exit. Let us do a speed check. What do you mean error? Not spinning. Alright. Try that again. Speed. Check. Press return. It's not spinning. Has something gone wrong here? Let's try that alignment check again. Now it's spinning. This is very strange. Alright, all computer programs, whether sold by Commodore or others, are distributed on an as-is basis without warranty of any kind. The entire risk as to the performance and suitability of such program is with the purchaser. Should the program, on cassette, cartridges, or disc, prove defective following the purchase, the purchaser and the manufacturer, distributor, or retailer assumes the full responsibility for service or replacement. Commodore shall have no liability or responsibility to a purchaser, customer, or any other person or entity with respect to any liability, loss, or damage caused to the alleged to be caused directly or indirectly by any computer programs on any media sold by Commodore or others. This includes, but not limited to, any interruption of service, loss of business, anticipatory profits, or consequential damages resulting from the use or operation of such computer programs. So this is done. I'm going to press a key. I'm going to press F1. I'm going to do a speed check. It is not spinning. Why is it not spinning? Alright, I'm going to do something remarkable here. I think. Okay, I'm going to turn the switch off. Turn on. Let's try that again. Speed check. Okay, maybe Now, is this a case of something is happening to the computer? Or something is not right with the drive? Let's try speed check right off the bat here. Well, something is strange. I am going to take the cartridge out. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to load. Oh dear, sorry. The directory. That should look a little better. Oh, actually got in there, right? Maybe. We will poke. Oh, I can't even read this. 53280, 0. That did not happen. 0, yeah, keyboards are difficult. Look, it all went away. And look, it'll all come back. Indeedy. Well, despite the strange moment with the cartridge, I think this is okay. This is the original power supply here I'm putting my hand on. And it read nicely, and it all seems fine and good and well. I really need to document things and tidy up in here some, because I have all kinds of stuff around. I do. It just happens. I try not to let it happen, but it happens. Oh, yes, it does. So it is tempting, but I don't think I'm going to do it. It's tempting to, because I have cords around, I think, to do a copy all session with this drive, but I don't think I will at this moment. Maybe another edition, maybe another episode. Just see what's what. Anyway, so another working 1541. Life is good. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.